Ready for a spook? In this episode of the Mushroom Minute, the Mushroom Network is all about the eerie glow of the jack-o'-lantern mushroom, scientifically known as Omphalotus olearius. Let's smash into it. True to its name, the jack-o'-lantern mushroom can in fact glow in the dark. This bioluminescence is due to the enzyme known as luciferase, casting a ghostly green light. Illuminating, isn't it? But mycophiles, be aware. While this sweet-smelling fungi might resemble the delicious dandruff mushrooms, this mushroom is toxic. Consuming it can lead to severe gastrointestinal distress. So please don't try to consume this one. Spooky. In more ways than one, you'll often find these mushrooms living off of decaying wood, returning vital nutrients back to the forest floor. Captivated by the spooky allure of the jack-o'-lantern mushroom, dive even deeper into its mysteries and more with the Mushroom Network's marketplace. Don't forget to subscribe and join our mycology marvels. Thanks for watching.
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics, and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network, and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.